Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
We'll be demonstrating on 2012 Ford F-150. If you have a different year but that generation, the video may be helpful as well. Now, you have two fuse boxes. One is under the hood, right here, guys. That's the main engine management fuse box. And then you have another fuse box that's for the body control, guys, of your Ford F-150. Under the dash, okay, under the glove box on the right side in the footwell compartment, guys, right here. Remove that plastic, open the fuse box, and you will have that layout here. We took a picture so you can clearly see what we have exactly here. Let's explain quickly why it's very important to test fuses and relays.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So the fuse that we'll need to check for the keyless entry, guys, for the keypad on your F-150 will be on that row right here on the left side. If you start on the very top and go to the very bottom, guys, that 10 amp fuse, which is known as fuse number F18, that's the fuse, guys, for the keyless entry and for the keypad. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having an F-150 and trying to find this fuse.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.